Essay my country. My country name is Pakistan. It has 4 provinces: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Islamabad is the capital of my country. Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. Allama Iqbal is our national poet. The national language of Pakistan is Urdu. It is land of rivers and canals. Most of people do farming. Its main crops are wheat, maize, cotton and rice. Its neighboring countries are India, China, Iran and Afghanistan. It is an atomic power. I am proud of my country. I love my country. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.